Dear students, this video is very important for 2 marks question in intermediate public examination. సో ఈ వీడియోని కనుక మీరు థరోగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినట్లయితే మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా 2 మార్క్స్ని మీరు ఎర్న్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 2 మార్క్సే కదా అని తక్కువ అంచనా వేయకండి. ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనమాట. సో ఈ వీడియోలో ఉన్నవి చాలా ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఒక్కసారి కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి అన్ని సిమిలర్ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనమాట. ఓన్లీ 2 కాన్సెప్ట్. ఒకటి యాంగిల్, వన్ ఈజ్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ 2 intersecting circles, and another concept is s minus s dash is equal to 0, common tangent, common chord, and radical axis, equation of the radical axis. So only from these these 3 concepts we are getting 2 marks. So do practice. Okay, so ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1A ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా అని కంటెంట్స్లో చెప్పాను, కానీ అక్కడ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయలేకపోయాను. సో దీనిలో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2A, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2A 2B రెండిట్లలో మనకి ఈ చాప్టర్లోనే టూ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్. అందులో 2A 2B రెండు ఇట్లో ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ బిట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను. అందులోకి వెళ్ళి 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కన్ఫామ్గా వస్తుంది. సో 1 ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసి దాని సిమిలర్ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్కి ఇస్తాను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి, ఆన్సర్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, రైట్. ఫస్ట్ బిట్, find K if the following pairs of circles are orthogonal. These 2 circles are orthogonal. It is given. Okay, by using that condition we should find the value of K. So first of all, write the 2 circles. So given circles are, one is x square plus y square plus 2by minus k is equal to 0, and the second one is x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 8 is equals to 0. Equation number 2, this is 1. Now compare this circle with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and this circle with compare with x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. So compare this, you will get here we have no x terms, so 2g is equal to 0, g is equal to 0. 2f, we have y term, 2f is equal to 2b, then f is equals to b, c is equal plus c is equal to minus k. Okay, negative sign also very important, minus k. Next here 2g dash is equal to 2a, then g dash is equal to a. 2f dash, no y term, that is equal to 0, f dash is equal to 0, then c dash is equal to 8. Okay, so for each problem you should write like this. Now write the condition for orthogonality. What is the condition for orthogonality? 2 into g dash plus f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Remember this condition. Now substitute all the values. 2 into g 0, into g dash a, f b, f dash 0 is equal to c minus k, c dash 8. So 0 into a 0, 0 into b 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 into 2 0. So minus k plus 8 is equal to 0, k is equal to 8. So like this we can find the value of k. So simple. First write the circle equation of the circles, compare with the 2gx plus 2f general equations. You will get g, f, c, g dash, f dash, c dash values. Then it is given they are orthogonal. They are orthogonal means the angle between these 2 tangents is 90 degrees. It is given. Okay, so for that condition is this one. Write the condition, then substitute. Next, find K if the following pairs of circles are orthogonal. These are similar problems to previous problem. So these are the 2 given circles equations. Write G, F, C from first circle, G dash, F dash, C from second circle. Write the orthogonality condition. 2 into GG dash plus FF dash is equal to C plus C dash, and solve, you will get K is equals to minus 24. For this the K value is 1, for this K value is minus 8. Solve the problem and check the answers. Next, in first bit, fourth problem, show that the circles given by the following equations intersect each other orthogonally. We have to show these two circles intersect each other orthogonally, means the angle between those two is 90 degrees. Okay, or we should show 2 into GG dash plus FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. Okay, so this is first circle, this is second circle. Compare with general equations. Here 2G is equal to minus 2, 2F is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 7, G minus 1, F minus 1. So compare, write the circles equations again and compare, write the data, compare first equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then you will get gfc values. Here the important condition is, if it is not in general form, convert into general form. That means divide, complete this equation with 3. Y means we have 3 as x square coefficient. X square coefficient should be 1. Okay, so that is important condition. So x square plus y square minus 8 by 3x plus 29 by 3, y is equal to 0 by 3 become 0. Divide total terms with 3. Now compare. 2g dash is equal to minus 8 by 3. This is important condition, remember. If we have 3 or 5 or any constant before x square, we should divide that complete equation with that constant. Convert into general form. Okay, minus 8 by 3. 2f dash is equal to 29 by 3. C dash is equal, we don't have constant here, C dash is equal to 0, G dash is equal to 1s to 4s minus 4 by 3, F dash is equal to 29 by 6, 29 by 6. Now check 2 into G dash plus F dash. So left hand side condition, this is 2 into G minus 1, G dash minus 4 by 3 plus F minus 1, F dash 29 by 6. Okay, so 2 into LCM is 6, right? So 3 2s are minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, 4 into 2, 8. Here 6 minus 29. So 2 1s, 2 3s, 8 minus 28 minus 21 by 3, that is minus 7. So the 2 into GG dash plus FF dash value is minus 7. Find C plus C dash value. C is minus 7, C dash is 0, minus 7. So therefore 2 into GG dash plus FF dash value, C plus C dash value, both are equal to minus 7. Therefore given circles are orthogonal to each other. Simple. Compare with the general equations, you will get G, F, C values, G dash, F dash, C dash values. Then find what is the orthogonality condition. 2 into G dash plus FF dash value is equal to C plus C dash. Find the value of 2 into G dash plus FF dash, left hand side value, and right hand side value of the orthogonal condition. So both are equal to minus 7. Therefore given circles are orthogonal to each other. These are some more similar problems of fourth problem, second, third, fourth. Show that these two circles are orthogonal, same process. In left hand side, right hand side, you will get 0. For this problem you will get 5. For this problem you will get 0. So 2GG dash plus 2FF dash is equal C plus C dash condition. You will get 0 on both sides. Therefore they are orthogonal to each other. So solve these problems by using first problem. Next, find the angle between the circles given by these two. So we should find the angle between these two circles. So immediately compare with compare with these two circles with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and this circle with x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. So here 2g is equal to minus 12, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 41, g is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3. In here 2f dash is equal to 4, 2g dash is equal to 4, 2f dash is equal to 6, c dash is equal to minus 59, g dash 2, f dash 3. Okay. Now what is the angle between two intersecting circles? Cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2f f dash by 2 into under root of g square plus f square plus minus c into g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, next what is c value? 41. Substitute carefully. C dash minus 59 minus 2 into g minus 6, g dash 2 minus 2 f dash minus f minus 3, f dash plus 3 by 2 into under root of g square minus 6 whole square f square minus 3 whole square minus c 41 under root of g dash square 2 square f dash square 3 square minus of minus 59 minus c dash, right? C dash minus 59, already we have minus 41 minus 59 minus 18. Okay, minus into minus plus 2 to the 4, 4 6 are 24, minus into minus plus 2 3 are 6, 6 3 are 18. Okay, 18 cancel. 2 into under root of minus 6 square 36, 9 minus 41 under root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9 plus 59. This is equals to 24 by 2 into square root of 36 plus 9, 45, 45 minus 1, 4, 59 plus 9, 68, 68 plus 4, 72. Okay, so 24 by 2 into square root 4 2, root 72 can be written as 36 into 2, square root of 34 6 36 square root 6 into root 2, root of 36 is 6, root 2, right, as it is. So finally we got cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, cos theta is equal to cos 45 degrees, therefore theta is equal to 45 degrees or pi by 4. So this is the angle between two intersecting circles. So write the given data and for substitute in this formula. Otherwise you can solve by using cos theta is equals to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. We have radius r1 and r2. Find, first of all, find the center c1 c2. D means distance between two centers, that is c1 c2. Already we find in circles chapter. So r1 first circle radius, r2 second circle radius, and substitute in this one, you will get same answer. Next, find the angle between the circles given by these two. This is also similar problem to previous one. So substitute in this formula, you will get cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So whenever cos theta 1 by 2 when theta is equal to 60 degrees or pi by 3. Okay. For this problem you will get negative value. Cos theta is negative. Okay. So cos theta is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant. For cos theta we have principal value as 0 to pi. Principal value of cos theta is 0 to pi, which we learn in intermediate first year trigonometry. So for 1 by 2 cos theta 1 by 2 when theta is equal 60 degrees. So it is negative in second quadrant. In second quadrant the angle is in the form of pi minus theta, that is 180 minus theta. So that means 180 minus 60, that means 120, or pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 when theta is equal to 120. Don't write theta is equal to minus pi by 6, minus pi by 3. Cos of minus pi by 3 is not 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. Cos of minus pi by 3 is cos pi by 3, it is 1 by 2. So this is wrong answer. Write theta as 120 degrees. This is also similar problem, example problem. If the angle between two circles is 45 degrees, it is given, then find the value of k. So compare equations, you will get G, F, C, G dash, F dash, C dash values. Substitute all these values in the angle formula. Angle also given, cos theta, cos 45 is equal to C plus C dash, C dash plus 2 minus 2 G dash minus 2 F dash by 2 into under root of G square plus F square minus C into under root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C. So substitute all those values and simplify, you will get this expression. So cross multiplication and squaring on both sides, you will get this one. Do LCM, 4 gets cancelled, 18k square minus k square, 17k square is equal 68 by into 4, 17 4 is 68, 4 4 is 16, k square is equal 16, k is equal plus or minus root 16, that is plus or minus 4. Okay, so practice this problem. This is also important for 2 marks. Important problem repeated many times. Show that the angle between these two circles is 3 pi by 4, 135 degrees. So compare, what is first circle? Compare given circles. Write the given circles first with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. So this is the first circle. Write given circles. Given circles are x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0, equation 1. X square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0, equation number 2. Compare the given circles with these two circles, general circles. We will get G. In first circle there is no xy terms, therefore 2g is equal to 0, g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, f is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus a square. Next, from second circle, 2g dash is equal to minus a, g dash is equal to minus a by 2, 2f dash is equal to minus a, f dash is equal to minus a by 2 and c dash value is 0. Okay, now what is the angle between two intersecting circles? Cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2f dash by 2 into under root of g square plus f square minus c under root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Substitute all these values in this formula. You will get cos theta is equal to c minus a square c dash 0 minus 2 into g 0 g dash minus a by 2 2 f 0 f dash minus a by 2 by 2 into under root of g square 0 square minus of minus a square under root of minus a by 2 whole square plus minus a by 2 whole square minus 0. Okay, here you will get minus a square, remaining total all become 0 by 2 into minus into minus plus a square under root of a square into root a square by 4 plus a square by 4, that means 2a square by 4, 2 ones 2 2's. So cos theta is equal to minus a square by 2 into root a square into root a square by root 2. It become root 2 by root a square. So root a square into minus root 2 a square by root 2 whole square into a square. Root a square into root a square, a square. 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. One root 2 gets cancelled. So finally cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Substitute carefully. After careful simplification, you will get cos theta as minus 1 by root 2. So cos theta principal value is 0 to pi, as this is 45 degrees. Cos is 1 by root 2 at 45 degrees. So the angle is in second quadrant. Cos theta is negative in second and third, but as per principal value we should take the value in second quadrant. So in second quadrant the angle is of the form 180 minus theta. In second quadrant the angle is of the form 180 minus theta. So therefore theta is equal to 180 minus 45, that is 135 degrees, or in radians we can write 3 pi by 4. So therefore angle between these two circles is 3 pi by 4. Important problem for 2 marks. Sometimes they are asking for 4 marks also. Okay, do practice. Next 2b exercise, first bit problem. Find the equation of the radical axis of the following circles. Already I given formula for equation of the radical axis, equation of the common chord, equation of the common tangent is same formula, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Convert the given circles into standard form, just subtract it. You should get the linear equation, that is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here these are two circles. Given circles are this is s is equal to 0, and here so given first circle, what is that? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So second circle, convert the second circle in general form, that is divide with 3. So after dividing 3, divide this equation with 3. Y means we have 3 as x square y square coefficient. So here we should have 1 only. So we should not have any another constant. Okay, so if we have any another constant other than 1, divide total equation with that constant. So x square plus y square by 3 means 3 gets cancelled, minus 7 by 3x plus 8 by 3y minus 11 by 3 is equal to 0. So now equation of radical axis is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Just subtract it. Minus plus. These two gets cancelled. You will get minus 3x minus 4y plus 5 plus 7 by 3x minus 8 by 3y plus 11 by 3 is equal to 0. Otherwise write first circle minus second circle is equal to 0. We will write like that. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y plus 5 first circle, minus into second circle, minus x square minus y square, minus into minus 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3, minus into 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3y, minus into minus plus 11 by 3 is equal to 0. So must and should divide with 3. Subtract second circle from first circle, or first circle from second circle. S minus s dash is equal to 0, or s dash minus s is equal to 0. So x square y square terms should get cancelled. Kachidanga cancel kavali. Okay, so here 3 is LCM, minus 9x, 3 minus 4 12y, 3 5 is 15, 7x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. 3 becomes 0. Minus 9x plus 7x minus 2x minus 12y plus minus 8y minus 20y, 15 plus 11 26 is equal to 0. Divide with minus 2 or minus 2 as common. X plus 10y minus 13 is equal to 0. So finally x plus 10y minus 13 is equal to 0 is the equation of the radical axis. Simple concept. So write the two circles, in general form and subtract one from another. That's it. We should get linear equation. These are similar problems for radical axis. Already we did first problem. Second problem, in second problem, just subtract one circle from another. You should get linear equation. This is the equation of the radical axis. Okay, solve yourself. So in this problem, this is first circle, this is second circle. In second circle, we have 4 as coefficient to x square, y square. Divide, first of all, divide with 4, total equation. Okay, divide total equation with 4, you will get x square plus y square plus 8 by 4 2x, 12 by 4 3y, minus 9 by 4 is equal 0. Now subtract one circle from another. That means s minus s dash is equal 0. You will get this answer. So these are the two circles. So this is the answer. So solve yourself and check the answers. Last concept, that is second bit, first bit, second problem. Find the equation of the common chord of the following circles. So this is the first problem. Equation of the common chord. The concept of the formula to find the equation of the common chord is also s minus s dash is equal to 0. Just subtract first circle, second circle from first circle. Okay, that means x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3. Minus of second circle means change the symbols of second circle. Minus 5x plus 5x plus 6y minus 4 is equal 0. Y square, x square terms gets cancelled. 5x minus 4x, x. 6y minus 4y, 2y. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So here one more problem, answer is this one. Here it is given in standard form, convert into general form, means expand a minus b whole square form and simplify, you will get general equation. Here also you will get general equation, then subtract those two equations, you have to get x minus y is equal to 0. These are two example problems for finding radical axis. Finding radical axis, same concept, s minus s dash is equal to 0. You should get this one. And this is important problem. Here we have 2. Divide this equation with 2. Here we have 3. 2 x square y square coefficient as x square y square coefficient. Divide this equation with 2. Divide second equation with 3. Then subtract. Don't subtract these two. Okay. So if we have any coefficients other than 1, you should divide with that constant. Okay. So here same concept, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0. You should get this answer. Okay. So in this video we learnt exercise 2a and 2b first bit problems. These are very important for 2 marks questions. Okay. Thank you.